Hey guys, I wanted to show you a quick way to anchor your resistance band using just your door handle. This would mimic using a cable machine, just like you do at the gym. So what you would do is you take your resistance band around your door handle just like that, and then you would loop it through, and that's going to anchor it to the door handle. You can do so many exercises. So say you have a knob and you're a little worried about it looping that way. Well, if you have a knob, you would take your resistance band and you would put it towards the end of it just like this, and you would wrap it around. You can wrap it around as many times as you'd like, just make sure it's nice and secure, and then you would have the same thing. So I'm going to show you a few exercises that you can do. I mean, the number of exercises you can do with this are just endless. There are so many. You can do a squat row where you stand back and you do a squat with a row. You can do a squat hold with a row. You can even kneel down on your mat and do tricep extensions. You can put it around your waist, and you can do kneeling squats, kneeling thrusters. There's just so many things that you can do. You can stand up and you can do a stationary lunge. I'm going to show you guys a quick workout that you can do right now. It's just a 9-minute workout. We're going to jump right into it. So here we go.
This nigga be like, oh my God.